Hey, Eagle Run 23 here. Two exciting boxes showed up here on the channel. This one right here is from Callaway Ballistics, and I'm super excited to show you what's inside here. So we're gonna get to that. And the other one, last night at my little boy's baseball game, my mom and dad came to the game. They brought me a box of knives. Let me pull these all out here and we'll take a look at them. My parents do a lot of cooking. Now, some of these, like this one here, is from Princess House, and it's this like hollow situation. These I've sharpened for them several times. I don't even know what kind of knife that is. And then kind of like maybe an 8-inch chef knife. I've sharpened this one several times for them. They don't hold an edge very well. I think these are probably just some that they're going to put in their drawer. And then I don't recognize the brand on this one. Kind of got like two houses right there on it. I have not sharpened this one before, but that edge is absolute junk. But anyway, I'm going to run through these, but the reason I'm showing them to you here is I used to do a lot of knife sharpening. I've got a Tech Studios profile over here, and it's a really great knife sharpener, but I also have a ton of stones that I can do freehand. So let me know in the comments, do you want to see this, or is this not something you're interested in? We can do those freehand, or we can put them on the Tech Studios, or I can do some of both and kind of show you how that goes. So let me get these cleared out of here, and I'll show you the really exciting box from Callaway Ballistics. Okay, just a couple of days ago, about a week ago, I guess, we had Wesley from Callaway Ballistics, and he sent a little note here. He said, thanks for having me on the show. He had a great time. And he said, included in here is the only box on the property of 8.6 Blackout. He says, hopefully there will be a small batch available on the website by Friday. So when you're watching this, it'll probably be like today or maybe yesterday. And then he also included some 9mm, fantastic. And then the hunting 300 Blackout. Let's see. Let me know what you think. If you need anything in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Fantastic. Okay. So we got some Callaway swag. Got a lanyard. Okay. And then there's 5 boxes of ammo that are all wrapped up, so I don't know what they are. Let's go smallest to largest here. This is the Bore Axe 300 Blackout from Callaway. Oh, look at those things. Boy, that's really reminiscent of just a tiny little 8.6 Blackout. That's pretty cool. Okay, we do not have a 300 Blackout, but there's actually one that's getting planned in the works right now, so that is awesome. We have some 9mm, 124 grain. And it says that it is it's not an FMJ. So this is their hollow point. Look at that. All right. Extreme brass, 9mm Luger. Oh, it was made March 18 of 23. Just about a week or two ago. We have some Total Metal Jacket, 147 grain. What does that stuff look like? Oh, got like a little flat nose on it. Okay. Extreme brass, 147 grain. Awesome. I wonder what this one is. I wonder if it's going to be... So we got 147 and 124. Maybe this is 115 grain. Yes, 115 grain. Oh, you know what I just noticed on this one? This is subsonic. This is the SH line of ammo. Subsonic 147 grain. That's okay. We're gonna do something with that. And then this is just your basic 115 grain. Now this one is Reman, this one is new, and this one is premium. because that's the self-defense round. That's really great because I needed some more self-defense stuff. I haven't loaded any up. That means that this one is the 8.6 Blackout. We've got a subsonic 285 grain ELD match bullet. They have been using Hornady brass. This is 6.5 Hornady brass. Okay, we shot this the other day with Carl out of his suppressed. And I'm hoping my suppressor's here very soon so we can pop this up. This stuff is called remanufactured because it's, you know, or it's a reused case. So awesome. Thank you so much, Callaway Ballistics. Go over there and hit their website up. I wonder if they'll give us a promo code for you guys. Probably not available for the 8.6 Blackout because they can't quite make enough of it. But maybe I'll reach out to them and see if they want me to share a deal. But check out Callaway Ballistics. Great to have them as friends of the channel. All right. Well, coming soon, we'll shoot some of this, and we're going to have to build something to shoot that. I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I find something like this and I don't have something to shoot it, it just makes me want to build something to shoot it. Am I alone in that, or are you guys like that as well? I know a couple of you guys have found some ammo and probably made a gun based on the availability of that ammo. I know for me, I'll find a trigger group or a handguard that's left over from another project, and boom, we've got to make a new project so we can use that handguard, and then there's a leftover product on that one, and then boom, we've got to make another one. So kind of a never-ending process. All right, I'll let you guys go. Eagle Run 2-3. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.